Hi, I'm Isaiah Nelson. This is my how-to video. Today we're going to make double chocolate biscotti.
What's biscotti, you ask?
Biscotti is an Italian cookie that you bake twice.
Double chocolate biscotti.
The ingredients you need to make biscotti is 2 cups all-purpose flour, half cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 sticks unsalted butter softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 3/4 semi-sweetened chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar. First thing we need to do is mix these 4 dry ingredients
With a whisk.
Next step, mix the wet ingredients.
Our third step is to mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. We need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Take the ball of dough, make a snake, and push it into shape. The final step is to sprinkle the powdered sugar on top of the biscotti. We're going to bake the biscotti for 35 minutes. Okay. I survived.
Beep beep.
Time's out. Remember, we have to bake these cookies twice. We have to cut them up and put them in the oven. Again. Okay, I need a tip. Okay, no, don't make them that. And done. We cut them up. We have to put them back in the oven for 10 more minutes.
Beep beep.
Finally, our last minutes of baking is done. Biscotti is well enjoyed with a cup of coffee or milk with your cow companion.
And that's how to make double chocolate biscotti.